Jessica here with Itty Bitty Micro Farm, and today we are going to go over microgreens, how to use them. So we get asked this a lot, especially at farmers markets. When you ask somebody, hey, have you tried microgreens before? A lot of the times they don't know how to use them. So even our customers who are ordering on a regular basis, if they start ordering a little less, a lot of the times it's because they've run out of ideas of different ways that they want to use them. So we always try to remind people and let them know about the 5 S's. So the 5 S's we're going to go over today are soup, salad, sandwich, smoothie, and stir fry. So these 5 S's are a great start for teaching people how they can use their microgreens in everyday dishes. So we'll start out with soups. That includes stew, bisque, ramen. We love adding radish and leeks to our ramen. Super great way to add a really good kick of flavor. We do broccoli microgreens in our broccoli cheese soup. It adds a nice crisp, fresh flavor to a broccoli cheese soup. If you want to add a spicy salad mix or even arugula to a butternut squash and apple bisque, really, really great flavor pairing there. So they're a really great and easy way to add flavor and nutrition to any of your soups and stews. Now, salads. A lot of people should be eating a lot more salads, but let's face it, they can get pretty boring. You can use your sunflowers and sweet peas as a salad base itself, skip the lettuce altogether, and really add a ton of flavor and nutrition to your diet. So we suggest anyone adds sunflowers for that sweet crunch and kick of protein in any salad. We sell a salad booster. It is sunflowers with broccoli and kale. Really great flavor addition and nutrition boost to any salad. We also add radishes with any of our vinaigrette-based salads. So they add a ton of flavor, just enough kick, and they're so easy because there's no slicing or prepping. You can just toss them in the salad. We do tomato cucumber salad with an Italian dressing. So it's just tomatoes and cucumbers diced up with some Italian dressing, and you throw some diced popcorn in there. You add a sweet crunch to it, really great flavor. So these are all really great ways to eat them as a salad or as an ingredient to salads. All right, and sandwiches. Sandwiches are a given. We love sandwiches. It's an easy way to add microgreens in. You just replace your lettuce with any of the microgreens you prefer, but we usually use broccoli or kale. Nice neutral flavors. They take on any flavor you want it to take on. But if you want to really kick it up a notch, you can add like a radish, micro mix, leeks. Really great ways to add great flavor and nutrition to a sandwich. Leeks are our favorite for bagels or toast. We throw some cream cheese or avocado on there. Really great, easy, quick breakfast. We do a lot of wraps at our house, and wraps are easy because you can just replace that lettuce with broccoli microgreens or kale. Super easy way to add those in. Micro arugula and micro mix, which is a spicy salad mix from True Leaf. Really great flavor for burgers or any proteins. If you do like pulled pork, any of those proteins, you can add a really great kick to them. Smoothies. Smoothies are another easy one. Easy breakfast or easy post-workout, anything like that. You can throw broccoli, kale, sunflowers, and peas. Those are the main ones we use just because they have a nice neutral flavor. You don't really want to use a spicy one like an arugula or a mustard. Those ones aren't really as easily absorbed into a smoothie by flavor. But if you pair buckwheat with a strawberry smoothie, super duper great, or even sunflowers if you're looking to get a little more protein in your diet. We use the beets in our smoothie bowls a lot. We'll throw a little bit of bull's blood beet in there. Really, really great way to get some color and flavor in there as well. And then we're looking at stir fries. Stir fry is one of my favorites. So stir fry is super versatile in any Asian inspired dish. We put sweet peas and sunflowers in almost any stir fry or fried rice. Peas and sunflowers both stir fry really, really well. You just add them a little bit closer to the end so they don't wilt in or anything. You just want to really give them a nice crisp flavor. Anything with a rice dish, you can throw some broccoli microgreens in there and really add some nutrition and some flavor and crispness to a rice dish. But any kind of rice dish, though, can really take on microgreens very easily. Lots of nutrition that way, lots of flavor. Radishes and mustards are just enough heat to add to like a spring roll. Just wrap those up with your veggie spring rolls. Really, really great flavor with those. Another section that we didn't cover in the 5S's is pastas. If you do eat pastas, super easy way to add those into your diet. So we'll throw broccoli microgreens into our fettuccine alfredo. If we do mac and cheese, spaghetti even, anything the kids really enjoy, you can put those broccoli microgreens in there. They're not able to pick them out, which is even better. And really, it doesn't change the flavor profile of the food itself. It's barely noticeable by the kids and really, really great flavor. So these are the 5S's of microgreens. We do incorporate these into our diet on an everyday basis. So really easy ways to tell people, hey, if you're not using enough microgreens, definitely add them to your soup, salad, sandwich, smoothie, or stir fry. Thanks for listening, guys. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe, and then stay